सदेवर्षिगणं तुष्टं राघवस्य महात्मनः बभौ रामः सम्प्रहृष्टः पूजितः सर्वदैवतैः। सदेव ऋषि गणम. Sadevarshi ganam is a compound word. Tushtam. Sadevarshi ganam ends in anuswara followed by ta. So it becomes Sadevarshi ganam tushtam. Anuswara changes to n, the nasal of ta varga. Raghavasya ghas mahapranah. Mahatmanah is a compound word. Babhau, second bhas mahapranah. Ramaha, visarga changes to su there. Samprahrushtaha. Ramas samprahrushtaha because of sandhi. Visarga changes to upadhmaniya. Pujitaha. Samprahrushtav pujitaha because of sandhi. Visarga changes to su there. Sarvadaivataihi is a compound word. Pujitas sarvadaivataihi because of sandhi. Sadevarshi ganantushtam raghavasya mahatmanaha babhau ramas samprahrushtav pujitas sarvadaivataihi. Abhishicya cha lankayam rakshasendram vibhishanam kritakrityastada ramo vijwarah pramumodaha. Abhishicya bhas mahapranah cha lankayam rakshasa indram. Rakshasendram is a compound word. Vibhishanam bhas mahapranah. Kritakrityaha is a compound word. Visarga changes to su there. Tada. Kritakrityas tada because of sandhi. Ramaha becomes Ramo because of sandhi. Vijwaraha. Visarga changes to upadhmaniya. Pramumoda. Vijwarah pramumoda because of sandhi. Ha. Abhishicya cha lankayam rakshasendram vibhishanam kritakrityastada ramo vijwarah pramumodaha. Devatabhyo varam prapya samuthapya cha vanaran ayodhyam prasthito ramah pushpakena suhridvritaha. Devatabhyaha becomes Devatabhyo because of sandhi. Bhamaha pranaha. Varam prapya samuthapya thas mahapranaha cha vanaran ayodhyam dhamaha pranaha prasthitaha this mahapranaha. It becomes prasthito because of sandhi. Ramaha visarga changes to upadhmaniya. Pushpakena Ramah pushpakena because of sandhi. Suhridvritaha is a compound word. Devatabhyo varam prapya samuthapya cha vanaran ayodhyam prasthito ramah pushpakena suhridvritaha. Bharadwajashramam gatva ramas satyaparakramaha bharatasyantike ramo hanumantam vyasarjayat. Bharadwaja ashramam. Bharadwaja ashramam is a compound word. Bhas mahapranah. Gatva. Bharadwaja ashramam ends in anuswara followed by ga. So it becomes Bharadwaja ashramam gatva. Anuswara changes to nga. Ramaha visarga changes to su there. Satyaparakramaha is a compound word. Ramas satyaparakramaha because of sandhi. Bharatasya antike. Bharatasyantike because of sandhi. Bhas mahapranah. Ramaha becomes Ramo because of sandhi. Hanumantam vyasarjayat. Hanumantam ends in anuswara followed by va. So it becomes Hanumantam vyasarjayat. Anuswara changes to the nasal of va. Bharadwajashramam gatva ramas satyaparakramaha bharatasyantike ramo hanumantam vyasarjayat. Punarakhyayikam jalpan sugriva sahitastada pushpakantat samaruhya nandigramam yayautada. Punaha visarga changes to repha. Akhyayikam खास् महाप्राणः पुनराख्यायिकां because of sandhi. Jalpan akhyayikam ends in anuswara followed by ja. So it becomes akhyayikan jalpan. Anuswara changes to nya, which is the nasal of cha varga. Sugriva sahitaha is a compound word. Visarga changes to su there. Tada. Sugriva sahitas tada because of sandhi. Pushpakam tat. Pushpakam ends in anuswara followed by ta. So it becomes pushpakan tat because of sandhi. Samaruhya nandigramam is a compound word. Yayau. Nandigramam ends in anuswara followed by ya. So it becomes nandigramai yayau. Anuswara changes to the nasal of ya. Tada. Punarakhyayikan jalpan sugriva sahitastada. Pushpakantat samaruhya nandigramai yayau tada.